How to insert Google Sheet into Google Docs. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're wanting to do that, you may follow up this simple step. It is very quick and easy. So first of all, open up your Google spreadsheet and look out for the data that you would like to copy and paste. For example, if I would like to copy and paste this data onto my Google documents, you need to have it both ready. After that, you can just go ahead and select up the data from your Google Sheet like this. And then you can just use Ctrl+C, or you can look out for edit option in the top and look out for copy option. And once it is copied, you can head over to Google Docs and you can look out for the section where you would like to paste the link to. Look out for edit option here also and look out for paste, or you can basically type in Ctrl+V, the shortcut key, and you will be finding an option where you can paste the link. You can select the option of link to spreadsheet since we are doing that. After that, click on paste, and once that is done, here you will be finding your Google spreadsheet linked with your Google Docs. So that is it. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.